What are good ways to learn to become the best digital marketer? I mean, what are you trying to do?
You got to catch them all to be the very best.
I mean, it really depends on what you're trying to do. This is like a super broad question. First you need to set goals. Like, you need to figure out what you're trying to accomplish for either a client or for yourself. Whether it's for a personal brand, your personal brand, someone else's personal brand, a company, your company, someone else's company. You need to set goals so we can actually know what to do to be, quote unquote, the best digital marketer. Because there's not one right way of doing things. It depends on what you're trying to accomplish. And what you're trying to accomplish is to be the best digital marketer. I don't think you know what you're doing yet.
Yeah. It's very broad.
Yeah. So first step is asking the right questions.
Right.
There you go. That is the first step. You need to do that now. Ask the right question.
Second is you need to apply for an internship with Upscale.
You can apply for an internship with Vision Paradox.
Vision Paradox.
Vision Paradox. You can,
SEO.
You can apply. You can send us an email at maxine@visionparadox.com that goes straight to me. So be nice about it and offer me $1,000 and actually follow through.
Yeah, pay her.
It's a paid internship, but you pay.
But you're paying to have the internship.
Are you a social media rock star?
Oh
no!
God.
I know those ads.
I hate those ads,
those
dude.
job postings.